50 million reasons for the arrest and charge of Ruel Reid, Fritz Pinnock, and their co-accused.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Investigators have charged that nearly $50 million of public funds was diverted to the personal use of discarded Education Minister Ruel Reid and Caribbean Maritime University President Professor Fritz Pinnock through a number of schemes, including one that mirrors the Career Advancement Program Youth Employment Solutions (CAPES). The allegations, senior law enforcement sources say, are at the center of the wide-ranging multi-million-dollar corruption probe by law enforcement agencies, which culminated on Wednesday, the 9th of October, with criminal charges being filed against Reid, his wife and daughter, Pinnock, and the Jamaica Labour Party councillor Kim Brown Lawrence. The parallel CAPES program, sources alleged, was operated out of the Caribbean Maritime University in a manner similar to the original project, operated by the Education Ministry to assist at-risk young people. But, according to one investigator, the CAPES program operated out of the CMU was instead used to pay several vendors, including Brown Lawrence, for services they did not provide. Further, investigators have alleged that Reid was the architect of the scheme, in which bogus catering contracts were created in the names of his former helper, Doreen Miller, and driver Devon McQueen. The Caribbean Maritime University has acknowledged that thousands of dollars were paid out in both names, but Miller and McQueen have insisted publicly that they were not associated with the East Kingston University. This case is built on extensive analysis of documents and the flow of money from CMU's bank accounts to associates of Mr. Reid and eventually to him, a senior investigator said. Reid, his wife Sharon, and his daughter Cheryl were arrested along with Pinnock and Brown Lawrence during a series of coordinated pre-dawn operations at their homes in St. Andrew, St. Catherine, and St. Anne, respectively. Another target of the probe, former Jamaica Labour Party Member of Parliament for St. Anne Northwestern, Othniel Lawrence, also got an early morning visit from detectives attached to Mocha. His St. Anne home was searched, but he was not taken into custody, officials confirmed. Christopher Townsend, the attorney for Brown Lawrence, confirmed that the local government official had been charged with conspiracy to defraud and being in possession of criminal property. Townsend acknowledged that the criminal property in question referred to money that belongs to the Caribbean Maritime University, but asserted his client's innocence and signaled that she intends to challenge those assertions. I cannot say conclusively that it is CMU's money. That is a matter the Crown will attempt to prove at the appropriate time. Those monies belong to who? Those are the issues the court must determine, Townsend said.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.